We all know that you open YouTube today to learn about the new pickup truck campers. Let's make your wish come true. Here's a list of the latest RV models for the all-year-round heavy-duty overlanding. We have got both integrated and slide-in models of 2024, so subscribe to Must See Tech and let's explore the boundless world of outdoor recreation. 27 North Rex Rover. The brand new addition to the 27 North lineup is built on the F350 chassis, powered by a 6.7-liter turbo diesel V8 and rated for 12,400 pounds GVWR. The Rex Rover has a monolithic one-piece carbon fiber shell and weatherproof flooring, while according to 27 North, it is capable of withstanding extremely low or high temperatures ranging from -25 to +125 Fahrenheit. Inside, the camper relies on aluminum instead of wood, which is used on almost every panel and cabinetry. Despite its length of just 22 feet, the Rex Rover easily accommodates 4 adults with a king-size bed at the top and an additional queen-size convertible in the dining area. There is a fully loaded kitchen with a sliding countertop extension, a refrigerator freezer unit, a microwave, and a heated wet bath shower unit with a cassette toilet. Among the interesting options, 27 North can also add a coffee maker, an external fridge with a dual-burner gas stove extension, and even a washing machine that integrates into the side of the kitchen. CARRYBOY Toyota Hilux Champ. Revealed as a concept in 2022, this modular mini-camper truck received roaring response from the RVers and was quickly developed into a production model for 5 people. The motorhome is based on the Toyota Hilux Champ single cab, powered by a 2.4-liter diesel engine, fitted with a full suspension setup and equipped with a 360-degree camera. CARRYBOY adds a 9.6 to a 28.8 kWh battery. There is a 3 kW generator, upgradable to the one from Domatic, and a standard AC system. Each camper also brings a 100-liter freshwater tank and a rear bathroom featuring a toilet and a hot water shower. An alcove bed sleeps 2 people, and for night use, an L-shaped dinette converts into a second bed. There is no interior kitchen, but the model does get an 80-liter fridge as standard, and for a fee of roughly $1,000, adds a slide-out outside kitchen. Other equipment includes a 32-inch smart TV, rear cargo box, ladder for roof access, and power retractable entry steps. By the way, in case you need a larger motorhome, CARRYBOY also offers the Hilux Revo and the Mitsubishi Triton-based models. Wildernessvans Grid Mini. Canada's Wildernessvans continue to defy their company name by releasing the second pickup-based camper. Just like the original Grid, this version is built on top of the heavy-duty 4x4 Ford F550 chassis, but its cab is shorter and narrower to enable passage through tighter trails. As standard, the 22.5 feet long Grid Mini is powered by 7.3-liter PF5 V8, plus there is an optional 6.7-liter Power Stroke V8 turbo diesel. The truck rides on Fox internal bypass shocks and wears rugged 40-inch tires. The floor plan of the Mini mimics its larger sibling, but has a slightly smaller footprint. There are 3 sleeping spots, one on a 2-seat dinette and a double bed in the campover. The wet bathroom is the victim of smaller dimensions, being replaced with a part-time bathroom featuring a retractable shower and a concealed pull-out toilet under the dining bench. The kitchen block has a smaller bamboo countertop, an induction cooktop, a sink, and a Vitri-Frigo fridge-freezer combo, 139 and 16 liters respectively. The in-cabin systems are controlled via a Serbo GX touchscreen monitoring system with Bluetooth connectivity, and additionally, there are a Webasto gas heater, a 68-liter water tank, and LED lighting. Tribe Trailers Lcap. Well known for their camping trailers, this year the Arizona-based family-owned Tribe Trailers launched its first truck bed model. Under development for a year, the Lcap pickup camper is claimed to be the ultimate all-in-one experience for adventures. It has cab-over design and offers a 270-degree awning and a matching RTT. Exterior features include a telescoping ladder compartment, Lippert Happy Jack system on both sides, a propane section for 2 canisters, and a MOLLE panels for various accessories. At the rear, you will find 2 5.5-gallon jerry cans, one for hot water and one for gasoline. There is also a rear slide-out drawer that accommodates a camping stove connected to the propane system. Inside, Tribe Trailers made sure to use every inch of available space. It accommodates a mini kitchen on the left featuring a stainless steel dual-burner stove, sink, integrated diesel heater, and ample storage. On the right, a large box houses a portable toilet and a battery connected to flexible solar panels. The German-imported wood furniture and all-weather vinyl plank flooring enhance the interior's durability. Smash the like button and stick around till the end. There, you will find links to other video reviews of campers in 2024. Let's keep rolling. Russ Monster Snowbird. This Colorado-based company specializes in custom-built truck campers and camper vans fully equipped for off-grid adventures. Their latest project is the Ford F550-based Snowbird that accommodates 4 people and packs everything that you might need on the road, from a kitchenette to a bathroom with hot water and a washing machine. The model gets an upgraded suspension with liquid springs, revised bumpers, new exterior lights, custom collapsible stairs, and exterior storage boxes. The truck also features a comprehensive electrical system that consists of an 800 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate battery, 3 kilowatt inverter, Bluetooth monitor from Victron, 1400 watts of solar power, and interior lighting split into zones. In addition to a cab-over bed and a convertible dinette, inside you will find wood cabinetry, a double-drawer fridge-freezer, a sink, and a 2-in-1 Furrion range oven. The shower stall with hot water is hidden opposite the kitchen area, and there is a composting toilet. The water is supplied by a 150-gallon tank that is equipped with a 2-stage filtration system. Wildernessvans R1. Spacecap has been Canada's largest manufacturer of commercial fiberglass caps for 50 years now. For the 2024 model year, their Spacecap Diablo fiberglass mini alcove service body is being used by the fellow countryman from Wildernessvans to build a removable truck camper. The Range R1 will fit any truck with an 8-foot box. It is a fully insulated 4-season shell with a vibrant dark metallic gray paint scheme and a UV-resistant SK gel coat. The in-cabin layout is minimalistic but will not feel cramped thanks to a pull-out bed expansion that turns the small storage alcove into a full-length double bed. There is an additional sleeping spot on a convertible dinette, which also conceals a portable toilet. Opposite the dinette, the kitchen space features a diesel dual-burner stove, sink, extendable worktop, and a 76.5-liter Norcold fridge. Additionally, there are cabinets, shelves, and drawers for storage. Wilderness ensures that its Spacecap maintains a comfortable ambience, avoiding the typical dark and cramped feel of industrial work units. They achieve this by incorporating windows on each side, complementing the skylights and a max air fan installed on the roof. To enhance its versatility across all seasons, the camper is equipped with a diesel air heater. Electrical requirements are covered by an EcoFlow independence power system with 6 kWh capacity coupled with 200 watts of solar charging. How do you like the newcomers to the family of truck campers? If only we could enter a cheat code and turn money into an infinite resource to explore the world driving all of these. Make sure to subscribe to Must See Tech not to miss the next week's review of truck campers, ring the notification bell, and give us a like to fuel our creative efforts. See you soon.